everybody, and welcome to my shop. This week I have a very interesting problem. This is the situation. I want to build a big media sideboard, console, whatever you want to call it, for the living room. And this cabinet is going to house a bunch of stuff, including records, a record player, and of course the speakers. In a different media console I built a couple years ago, I decided to hide the speakers altogether behind this kind of wall of fabric. And I still love that idea, especially because in both cases the speakers that I used are not particularly interesting. So I'd rather hide them. You don't really need to see them. So I want to just cover them with fabric. Now, with these speakers, they are active, which means they have the amplifier kind of built in, which means whatever device you want to listen to, you hook it up directly into the speaker, which is why they have a couple indicator lights on top for input selection and also for volume control. The speakers have a remote, so that's not a problem. I don't have to physically dial that in. And this is the problem. I need to find a way to see these indicator LEDs even though the speakers are inside the cabinet. And of course, yes, I could rewire the LEDs, just extend the cables and bring it to the outside, but I really don't want to mess with the speakers too much. And that also would kind of, then the speakers are kind of permanently attached to the cabinet. So that's not the ideal solution. I was thinking about this problem for a couple days. Of course, I enjoy problem solving a lot, so this is fun for me to think about this. And I feel that there must be an easier solution. And then I see my daughter play with one of those things. I think she got it on Halloween. You know, these little, it's probably a little bit too bright in here, but you see the point, right? It's fiber optics, and the light just gets transferred to the tip of the fiber optic. And I was thinking, that might be a clever solution. So, let's build a prototype. just works. Sometimes these ideas just work. And that is the best feeling. I wish I could bottle that feeling of coming up with a solution for a very unique problem, and then it just works. So I'll just end it here. This is a great prototype. When it gets time to build the cabinet, hopefully in a couple weeks, once I chose what kind of wood I want to use and how the whole design is, I obviously make a new panel. But now I know it works, and I can use the speakers, and I can even have this little panel be a cool design element. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy solving my weird problems, and I'll see you next week with a new video, possibly a live stream. So if you have any questions about anything, save them for next week. Until then, bye-bye. That's not how I end things. Wait, how do I end things? I'll see you next. Oh yeah, well, that was the end. Okay, bye.